NEET 2023 Preparation Tips and Tricks, How to Prepare for the Exam. In this video talks about the preparation tips and strategies that students need to follow to crack NEET exam and score excellent results. NEET preparation tips, are you preparing for? If so, then here are some useful tips that will help you in your preparation. The National Eligibility Entrance Test (NEET) is an all-India medical entrance examination conducted for admission to undergraduate courses in medicine and dentistry. Before appearing for NEET 2023, the applicants should be aware of the basic details of the examination. Follow these NEET exam details that can help aspirants to prepare for the examination. Candidates should pass physics, chemistry, biology, and English separately. A 50% aggregate in biology, physics, and biology is a must for general category students. For state and all India quota seats, the minimum age for aspirants to apply for NEET UG is 17 years. The upper age limit is 25 years. There are 5 years of relaxation for ST, SC, and OBC.Subjects and Pattern. NEET UG exam is mainly based on 3 subjects: chemistry, physics, biology, and zoology. There are a total of 180 MCQs with a time duration of 3 hours. For every correct answer, the candidate gets 4 marks and 1 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. Some of the important topics to focus on for NEET are optics, mechanics, nuclear physics, thermodynamics. Check. NEET Physics Syllabus Class 12. Important chapters: biology, genetics, ecology and environment, cell biology, morphology, basics of biotechnology, reproduction, physiology of animals and plants, chemistry, general organic chemistry, mole concept, periodic table, coordination chemistry, chemical bonding. If you are targeting the upcoming medical tests, go through these preparation tips to crack NEET. 1. Be familiar with the syllabus. The NEET syllabus is vast and you need to know the exact location to bring out the best output. Make sure to cut down on the extra information and mainly focus on important topics. The NEET exam covers the NCERT syllabus as well. It would be very beneficial if there are common chapters, as you will not need to prepare them separately. This will give you enough time to concentrate on parts that are not covered. Selecting the right study material for NEET exam preparation is a little confusing. But, with the help of teachers and online expert assistants, you can choose the right one. You can contact and coordinate with students who already appeared in the NEET exam and see which book they referred to. Also, go through the interviews of various candidates who appeared in the NEET exam and try to get an idea about their preparation style. You should prepare study notes, solve NEET previous year question papers, NEET mock tests to improve your speed and accuracy. Point 2. High quality study material. Selecting the right study material for NEET exam preparation is a little confusing. But, with the help of teachers and online expert assistants, you can choose the right one. You can contact and coordinate with students who already appeared in the NEET exam and see which book they referred to. Also, go through the interviews of various candidates who appeared in the NEET exam and try to get an idea about their preparation style. You should prepare study notes, solve NEET previous year question papers and take NEET mock tests to improve your speed and accuracy. 3. Create a realistic timetable. Following a fixed timetable helps you to stay focused on your goal during your preparation for NEET. Also, since you will have to finish 2 years syllabus, having a well-structured timetable will help you to organize your NEET preparation. Make sure to follow your timetable strictly. But also make sure to be open to modifying it with time. Follow some of the best ways to prepare for NEET. Get a calendar and a diary. Set your priorities. Set out long study hours. Take care of your health. Don't sleep during study time. Get enough sleep. 4. Prepare notes while learning. This is one of the best ways to improvise memory skills. To know how to crack NEET, scribe minor point-by-point notes in a diary and then revise them later. Whatever notes it may be, always try to write them clearly. It will also help during your revision period. You can revise things very easily. Point 5. Revise regularly. Make sure to revise regularly even if you have mastered a particular topic, concept, chapter, or subject. Revision is very crucial for your NEET preparation. You can prepare for NEET on platforms which help you to find and manage study materials and NEET notes easily. Point 6. Maintain a healthy diet. The candidate should be strong while facing the examination. The aspirants must follow a healthy diet to get physical and mental fitness. Eat iron-containing foods and foods containing vitamin B to help boost your brain by providing the nutrients it needs. Point 7. Regular study breaks are a must. We are humans and not machines, thus we require timely rest to get back to work efficiently. Hence, it is important to realize that one cannot maintain an optimum level of concentration without taking an optimum break to recover. Experts say that the human mind stays concentrated for a particular time. The long time preparation will give stress the mind and reduce the level of concentration. The students take regular breaks to refresh their minds. Breaks can be in the form of a 10-minute walk, a trip to the gym, having a chat with friends, or simply taking a small nap. Point 8. Do proper exercise. The main point is to reduce stress if doing regular exercise. The students reduce their stress by doing regular walk, swimming, running, etc. to reduce their minds by releasing the natural feel-good chemicals. This will help you to be happier and more productive. Avoid junk and oily foods and switch to healthy diet plans. Do meditation and yoga exercises for better concentration. Point 9. Practice mock tests. All the candidates who are appearing in the NEET exam need to finish 180 questions in about 180 minutes. This means that they can give a maximum of 1 minute per question. Time management is the main aspect required for the exam. So keep it in your mind as a time limit and practice NEET mock tests regularly to maintain time management. 10. Having a positive attitude is what really matters. Your attitude is what decides the effectiveness of your learning process. If you possess a negative attitude and keep saying that you can't do it, then it would not help you in learning. A negative approach will make things difficult. The moment you start thinking positively, your brain will show better creativity. The right mindset will also make you feel less anxious and more open to new ideas. Apart from all the preparation tips and strategies, aspirants still make some mistakes. Here are some common mistakes that candidates should avoid during their NEET preparation. Not following the timetable. Candidates should make sure that they are strictly following the timetable that they have prepared for the exam. Hectic schedule. Candidates should not study for a long period of time as it can make them feel exhausted. Do not ignore NCERT. 70% of the questions come from NCERT textbooks, so students should make sure that they are through with the NCERT books. Following too many books. Aspirants must avoid studying too many books at a time as they can get confused and mess up their preparation for NEET. Ignoring subjects. When it comes to competitive exams like NEET, aspirants should ensure that not even a single topic from the syllabus is left out. For admission guidance in MBBS course and top medical colleges in India, visit us at www.medicaleducare.com. Thanks for watching.